They fired JD?
Well, they didn't fire him, but they made some changes, which didn't include him.
JD told me, he said that, you know, we got off the tour, you know, the last one I did with him, so I went home, and then he just never called me again. The office never called, and some dates or nothing, Vince never called, he said they just.
Okay, I think we're on.
Right.
Okay.
That's interesting.
Well, yeah, it's really,
Yeah,
that's
that's-
how we do it. We just don't call you.
Yeah, that's Hollywood, man.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know you're not in the band.
Call you. Are we ready, Dan? You figure it out?
I think so.
You are the best.
No,
Garcia saw the Bob Dylan on Tonight Show, realized he wasn't in the band
Oh,
anymore.
yeah. There's a couple guys like that.
That's what I'm gonna do to all you guys.
Yeah. We're really gonna miss you too.
Not for any reason.
it's on, it's going.
Oh, we're live going?
Yeah, I don't
There's
wanna
no vamp or anything?
change-
There's
I
no
don't wanna
like,
change anything.
you know, we start with the music and then you start singing and then so over there. And this is Carmine's Country Corner at beautiful downtown La Crescenta, California. And so we're here for 1 hour to do some country music. Most of you people watching or
It's a ring.
doing this thing know what we're talking about. Those of you who don't, welcome. Subscribe if you're on YouTube and push the like and share button on Facebook, and that would help us out. All right, Paul, what are we open?
What did I say?
Something about cow time.
Something about a cow.
In the key of D, I know you
In the
told
key
me
of
that.
D.
All right,
One,
key of D.
two, 1, 2, 3. Come on along, and we'll go down to this place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never be a stranger there. Everybody knows when you're in town. Well, they'll greet you with a smile and a howdy, hi y'all. And in a little while you'll get that Texas drawl. The hats are white and the boots are brown. You'll just love this place called Cowtown. No matter where I may wander, no matter where I may roam, there's a place way down yonder. I'm going there to make it my home. Come on along, and we'll go down to this place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never be a stranger there. Everybody knows when you're in town. They'll greet you with a smile and a howdy, hi y'all. And in a little while you'll get that Texas drawl. The hats are white and the boots are brown. You'll just love this place called Cowtown. No matter where I may wander, no matter where I may roam, there's a place way down yonder. I'm going there to make it my home. Come on along, and we'll go down to this place in Texas called Cowtown. You'll never be a stranger there. Everybody knows when you're in town. They'll greet you with a smile and a howdy, how you are. And in a little while just love this place called Cowtown. Yeah, you'll just love this place called Cowtown. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Got her name already. Nellie. I almost called you after my granddaughter, Lily.
Oh.
You know, I get them mixed up. Hey, welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. Another week, another hour of what I call fun country music. And so we welcome you. Tell a friend. Keep pushing that subscribe button and that share button and like button. Hey, Swan.
Yeah.
What's going on?
All right, well,
Talk about the NAMM show.
yeah, well, I got a story that's much more interesting than the NAMM show.
Then talk about that. Great.
I'm going to be at the NAMM show, so bring me money and
There you go.
presents. But anyway, I got out of the shower. I put my underwear on, put my socks on, put my boots on. Forgot to put my pants on. That'll give you an idea of where I'm coming from. No, I'll be at the Hammond booth. And
But you'll be fully dressed, I mean, right?
I'm going to wear the pants, for sure.
Okay, good for you. Okay, I'm glad.
I got to wrote myself a note, put the pants on before you put your boots on.
Tell them about the Modesty Panel.
The Modesty Panel. I don't know about that organization. I try to stay away from it. But if you're at NAMM, National Manufacturer of, no, it's National Association of Music Merchants. I always thought it was something else, but I'll tell you what I thought. So I'll be at Hammond, Oregon. Go there if you're a musician and you got a pass and you can get in there.
I might see you down there.
Well, I like that. I like his shirt. That's a very nice shirt.
Oh, thank you.
See, Carmine makes the big money around here.
I do. Not by doing this.
Oh,
Your
is that it?
wife,
This
after
is my
that
fun
episode,
time.
Your wife, yeah, she probably thinks she used to be afraid of the dark. Now she's afraid of the light.
Okay.
Go ahead and do it.
All right.
Gary Swan, folks.
Here's a lovely little song that I play 5 times a day. Today I started.
Oh, gee.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was thinking day I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. Lord, what a fool I was to think that I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. Crying time for me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again.
Yeah, man.
Great Gary Swan.
Good singing.
I learned that ending from Taras.
So Kim is on a little cruise with Brandon, and so Dan was nice enough to come up and do all the technical stuff, which is a pain, I think. They seem to work it out, but don't ask me to do it because that ain't gonna happen.
Let's get Dan to stand in front of the camera so everybody can see him.
Come around and say hello if he wants to.
Yeah. No, put your shirt back on, Dan. No, put your shirt back on.
At least he's got his pants on.
Yeah.
For God's
He
sake.
remembered to wear his pants.
Paul's changing something. Hang on is
I
right.
tell you what, look, it's got to be his cord. Look at what kind of cord he's using.
He's doing something.
That's the same kind of cord as I got over here.
Oh,
I don't know why,
let me
but I'm
think.
just gonna do
No,
this.
no, that's
Did
not
you
good.
see this, Paul?
Let me think why though.
This cord is just like that cord.
Because I got you in here with the
All right, folks, just to remind you, I am the only country organ player at NAMM. I just made that up, but
That's good, that's fine. So, you know, I'm very careful each week when we set the PA up to make sure it's on the same circuit.
Yeah.
But if one of those chords I use has the little ground thing
Oh, yeah.
cut off,
That'll do it.
then and that's what it might be, and I'm sorry, because I
That's okay.
usually check that.
Because it's worked there, you know, it's been good.
Yeah, oh no, it never shocks you,
I'm
but
fine now.
today something happened. Well, thank you, and I'm sorry that, folks, that'd be my fault, that I gotta pay more attention to that.
you don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway, thank you. Thanks for the support. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know. I can't say. I don't like it, but I me if I'll miss my baby. I guess I will every day. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Ask me if I'll find another. I don't know. I can't say. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. God gave me that girl to lean on, then he left me on my own. Heaven help me be a man and have the strength to stand alone. Don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. I don't like it, but I guess things happen that way. Johnny Cash, 1957 Town Hall Party, black and white, not color. Look it up on YouTube. I don't like it, but I guess things happen. And we've all gone through that in life where we don't like it, but that's the way it goes. Right?
That's right.
We have to learn to accept it. God, it's tough, you know? Anyway, what do you got, Paul?
Let's do Swing Low, Sweet
I
Jere.
love that song. I might
E.
stand up for that one.
I'm going to send this out in honor of my good friend, our good friend Gary Milkey, who passed away a couple days ago. He came to see these shows. Gary and Claudia, you probably remember them
Yeah.
coming a couple of times, maybe
I think
a
so.
few more than that.
He passed away.
Good friends of ours.
And
Gary,
there's somebody
Gary
else.
died.
Jim Hill?
John.
John Hill,
John Hill.
who I guess I played with, and Dan showed me a picture of on the phone, and I kind of remember that face, but we're going way back.
Well, we'll send this out to him too.
Okay, God bless him and his family, and of course this
Gary.
other gentleman, Gary. So Gary and John, God bless you. I know you're probably in a better place having fun right now, talking to each other, having a good time.
That's what it's all
That's what
about.
it's all about.
I looked over Jordan, and what did I see? Coming for to carry me home. A band of angels coming after me, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, Well, if you get there before I do, coming for to carry me home. Tell all my friends I am coming for to carry me home. Sweet low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Sweet low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Slow, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Slow, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Coming for to carry me home. Hey, you know what I love most about that song? I get some sweet harmony from Gary Swan. Some sweet vocal harmony. Sounds good.
So we're having fun up here at Carmine's Country Corner. And, oh, look at the clock. Look at Dan. Jeez, now Dan just did an interest. I wish I can get a picture. Look at
What time is it, Carmen?
it. Looks like 6:26.
All right. What a good time.
That's very nice. We have a little clock thing that's like a digital thing that we put down on the floor so we can kind of see how we're doing on time. And I didn't have one. We have one, but I didn't put it up this week. And so Dan thought he's got this like computer screen that's like this big. My clock's like this big. His is like this big, big bright red letters. 6:27. So there's no doubt about it. So that's great. What do you got, Swan?
I'm gonna do a tune that I haven't done since Viva.
Good.
Oh, we will.
Do we know it? Doesn't matter, but what
Good
is
luck.
it at least?
It's a Vince Gill tune.
Give me a key.
He thanked me for playing his songs. What else can you say? He said, hey,
Nobody else did.
I do a couple of your songs. He said, thank you.
All right, what do we got?
Yeah, okay. I don't know, folks, if you're at home right now, why don't you go get yourself something cool from the refrigerator
Oh, I would like
and
that.
see.
See, okay. now I know that.
And, you know,
It's a
go check
start.
on the car out in the garage. And we'll see if we can get through this.
I gotta-
You could have given me a million reasons why, but it wouldn't have changed a thing. You said it all when you said goodbye, and you took off your wedding ring. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you. It'll take dying to get it done. All my friends keep trying to fix me up. said I need somebody new. But come to love, I've all but given up. 'Cause life don't mean nothing without you. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you. But it'll take dying to get it done. All my friends keep trying to fix me up. Said I need somebody new. But comes the love I've all but given up. 'Cause life don't mean nothing without you. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you. But it'll take dying, get it done. It'll take dying, get it done. It'll take dying to get it done.
Beautiful.
Pretty good
Ah.
stuff there, man. It has been a while. That's a great
That's a
song.
great song.
It started coming back to me right at the end.
Albert used to like that song.
Oh man.
JD and Albert. That was
That's
the
the way you do it. Hey, we got some news tonight that John Palmer might start singing with the band too. You know, but he wants me to rehearse, so I guess I gotta rehearse because I want to hear this guy
yeah,
sing.
no, he sings great. He's better than Paul Anka and Tom Jones.
I sound a lot like Steve Perry.
Tom
Steve, who's
Anka.
He can't
Yeah,
sing.
Paul Anka, yeah.
No, Tom Anka.
Tom Anka.
Right between Tom Jones and Paul Anka.
Who was the guy that used to say, I've got a really good voice, but it's in Paul Anka's throat? There was an entertainer that used to say that. I forget.
I know, man.
Forget who. That's a good line, though, isn't it?
Paul Anka is killer,
Paul
man.
Anka was
He
a
is so
killer, man.
killer. You tell me that we're leaving. I can't believe it's true. Oh, man, he's so good.
Great singer. Well, we're kind of sitting around. Think we'll do another song. Paul.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another one after
Key of G.
you. Key of G.
Straight A's out there. There's a long line of mourners coming down our street. Their fancy cars are such a sight to see. They're all of your rich friends who knew you in the city. And now they finally brought you back to me. the party and the fatal crash that night, of the race on the highway and the curve nobody's seen. Now you're riding in a long black limousine. Everybody's staring. Looks like you finally got your dream. You're riding in a long black limousine with tear-rimmed eyes. I watch as you ride by with a chauffeur at the wheel, dressed up so fine. I'll never love another, my heart and all my dreams. Ride with you in that long black limousine. No, I'll never love another. Ride with you in that long black limousine. Yeah, they ride with you in that long black limousine.
Good job. Haven't done that one in a while either.
I haven't done that one in a while.
That's a hell of a way to get your limousine ride, though, huh?
Yeah, man.
It always makes me feel good when we end the song and Dan claps. You know, that's what, because he's a good musician. He knows, you know. So that was decent, wasn't it? Not awful. Thank you, Dan.
Not awful.
That's what I call it.
Elvis put that on the Memphis song, didn't he?
Do you know?
Yeah, he did.
Carmine,
What?
can you do guitars and Cadillacs?
Yeah, I can do it.
There.
I do it. You know, good, you got it. Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna do one by our good friend. He was the guy that did this. We're gonna dedicate it to Dottie and maybe Nellie. She might like it.
It's on the 5. You got it. The A, right? It's an A, right?
Yeah.
You get no respect.
You got it. We know it.
No, that's not it.
I got it.
You got it? All right. Hey, anything can happen Sunday. Go ahead. Go on, Earl Pickett. Taught me how every day cry myself to sleep. Showed me how this town could shatter dreams.
was so close.
I got a message from Pete.
From who?
From Pete.
Oh, what did he
He
say?
wants to talk.
Hey, ask him if I can punch in.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We love Pete Anderson. You can see him, the guitar player that is the guy behind that song, at the fork, the tuning fork. Every Tuesday.
Tuesday night at 8 o'clock.
Is it 8 o'clock?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock in Studio City, tuning fork. See the guy that played that. And I don't apologize for my level of talent.
2, 3. I remember the year Clayton Ray died, and they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. Now it made a big impression on me, although I was a barefoot kid, and they said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town, and I thought he was a hero, used to follow Clayton around. I often wondered why Clayton, he seemed so good to me, and he never took that guitar, laid it down in Tennessee. Now my daddy said he drank a lot, and I could never understand. I knew he used to pick up in Ohio with a 5-piece band. Now when Clayton used to tell me, son, you better throw that old guitar away, 'cause there ain't no money in it, it'll lead you to an early grave. Somebody play. Now I guess if I'd admit it, old Clay taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow. I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went up in the woods and I cried like a baby. I know there's a lot of big preachers, and they know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year Clayton Delaney died.
I love song.
It's fun. It's a fun story about a guitar player.
Yeah.
About a little boy who's impressed by this guitar player.
He dies
Who
every week
obviously
here.
was a stone drunk. Obviously.
Yeah.
But it's okay. You can still know.
You can still pick.
You can still pick that guy can play. I'll tell you.
He dies every week here,
That's right.
right here on this stage.
Can I make sure of it? All right. What do we got?
Let's do Gone, 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 G. We'll go all around. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. She said if I ever would leave her, I'd be gone before I'm gonna start that again. I did that the same thing last week, you know.
Nobody's paying attention. Go ahead.
She said if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count it. That's it. I guess that I did not believe her. Just look at the trouble I'm in. Now she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Well, I lost every right to be happy when I lost a good love I found. She swore that she'd leave and she left me before my first tear hit the ground. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. If I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder she's 1 second farther from me. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, faster the train flies, farther on down the track.
She gone.
And I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And you some used easy there, Paul. But it was
What'd I
fun.
do?
That old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. Talk about all of us. And that white freight line is going to satisfy my mind. One more time and we're out.
Yes, sir.
We'll get time for one more.
Let's do one more. Let's do Blue, I'm Lonesome Too. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2. Lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle, Good night.